Hey guys, Clint here. Just wanted to go over a brief overview of a mashup that I put together. Kind of came about when we were trying to figure out a way to pull in more information into our system or gather more information in our system about customers and leads. And so we started doing some research and came across a company called Rapleaf. And what Rapleaf does is offers a web service where you can send them an email address and get back, a subset of data around a number of fields. I think age, gender, and location you can really get for free, and then they have a plethora of other fields that you can get data back about, and that's all centered around an email address. So we wanted to test this and use it. Ended up kind of putting together a little program that makes it easy to sort of integrate in with Salesforce. So I wanted to show this demo. The blog post kind of has some more background, and there's the source code available as well. But essentially, you could set this up to where anytime you create a new lead or a new contact, or even update a lead or a contact, that you can then send that email address to Rapleaf through their API and get data back instantly into your Salesforce account. So just want to kind of go over this a little bit here and show you a brief demo. It's pretty simple. The way this program is set up right now just runs on a trigger that anytime a new lead is inserted, it'll make the call to Rapleaf and then update the information. So real quickly, we'll just create a lead here. And when we save it, it's going to make obviously because it's a trigger, we're using an asynchronous method. So it will take a second, we'll refresh, and then we'll see the data that appears. And right now, it's just really, the code's just really set up to pull in age, gender, and location. And so we just created those fields in Salesforce. You could pretty easily modify the code to pull in whatever information that you want, just kind of using the same format that we used here for age, gender, and location. It's just that Rapleaf has a pretty large number of fields that you could actually use, and so it didn't really make sense to kind of put all that into the initial program, but certainly you can modify that to pull in whatever data you want it to. So when we click save, we're going to save this lead, and then we'll refresh the browser here, and in these fields, age, gender, location, we should see the data populate. So actually, this one's not available, male, and then this location data. So what it really did was just made the call to Rapleaf, pull the information back in, parsed it, and put it into the right fields. We don't know how accurate. I don't know how accurate Rapleaf's data really is. It seems like to some extent it's pretty accurate, but certainly this could be very useful for a lot of different reasons. From generating a lead scoring, or if you have customer retention, algorithms that are set up to where if a customer or a lead possesses certain traits in terms of lifestyle or income or marital status or purchasing history, age, gender, location, any one of a number of potential data points that you may have some algorithm built that says this is going to be a long-term customer, or it's not going to be a customer for very long, or it's going to be a good customer, or whatever. And so those are some of the things you could do with it also, obviously, when you're tailoring your email messaging or any kind of marketing campaign messaging. You can sort of segment your customer base by various traits. So all things that are pretty useful. Anyway, I hope that's helpful for somebody. Just wanted to share it.